A warm welcome to this gentle 10-minute prenatal Babymoon Flow. Congratulations on showing up and prioritizing your well-being. You and your baby deserve this moment of care. Today, we'll move through gentle yet effective exercises designed to support you in all trimesters, no matter your fitness level. Breathe deeply, listen to your body, and let's embrace the bump together.
Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good.
Let's start with good mornings to gently wake up the body. Place your hands on your head, keep your back straight and hinge forward from the hips. Exhale as you rise, engaging your core and lengthening the spine. This is great for hamstring flexibility and posture support during pregnancy.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling in love.
Now, let's add a squat. After each forward bend, lower into a gentle squat, keeping your knees in line with your toes. Push through your heels as you rise back up. Feel your glutes and legs activating, helping to support your changing body.
Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Next, we'll step the feet wider and narrower between each rep. This variation improves hip mobility and pelvic stability, perfect for preparing your body for birth.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Step to the right into a side squat. Keep your weight in the heel and push your hips back, keeping your chest lifted. This move strengthens the inner thighs and glutes while opening up the hips.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
From here, turn into a lunge, keeping your knee above your ankle. Hold here and breathe deeply, connecting to your baby. And feel a beautiful stretch through the hip flexors. This is an area that can get tight during pregnancy. Now, let's switch sides. Keep your movements smooth and intentional, and feel the strength in your legs and the space opening in your hips.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love guns. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own. On my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done. That we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care.
Let's flow from side to side, keeping a gentle rhythm. This movement improves circulation.
Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh,
Stay low and pulse 3 times in each squat. Tiny movements, but big strength. This fires up the legs while keeping everything low impact. And most importantly, don't forget to hug your baby.
that I'm lying to be on my own. On my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done. That we are done.
Step your feet wide into a sumo stance and gently twist one shoulder to the front. Switch sides, feeling the gentle release in your shoulders.
Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on.
From here, we go into normal sumo squats. This move strengthens the pelvic floor and prepares your body for labor.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, baby.
As we squat, let's sweep the arms overhead in a rainbow. This adds a flowy, feel-good element to the movement.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I've never been so
Sink into a deep yogi squat and extend one arm overhead, twisting gently. This is amazing for hip and spinal mobility.
hear my call, and you make me wonder who I am. Do you know what I see? I see myself cry and say you won't be mad. Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies.
And now let's activate those triceps. Place your hands behind you, fingers facing forward, and lower your hips slightly. Keep your elbows pointing back as you powerfully press up.
Say you won't be mad. Just say you want me. Say you want me bad. Do you know what I see? I see myself across.
From here, press all the way up into a tabletop bridge, lifting the hips and squeezing the glutes. Lower back down into a tricep dip and repeat. This is a great way to open the chest and strengthen the back.
'Cause hard is still hard to predict, you should admit. Slowly things will come around. I'm still waiting for you to say it, say it. Do you know what I see?
Hold here for 30 seconds, keeping your hips lifted and core engaged. And feel that full body activation.
I'm sick of all your lies. Just say you want me. Oh, say you want me back. Oh, say you want me back. Just say you want me.
Sit down cross-legged and lift the hips into a gentle bridge. This strengthens the glutes, lower back and pelvic floor.
I see myself across. Do you know what I feel? Do you know what I feel? I'm sick of all your lies.
Now, pulse at the top, small but mighty. This keeps the glutes engaged and supports pelvic stability.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still.
Well done, we are close to the end. Sit down cross-legged and do a spinal twist. Stretch through your back. This is a wonderful spinal release after all that movement.
You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener.
ready, bring your hands to your belly and take a deep, loving breath. This is your moment to connect with your baby and appreciate the beautiful work your body is doing. Enjoy. Well done, mommy! You just completed this 10-minute prenatal Babymoon Flow, giving yourself and your baby the gift of movement and love. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more pregnancy workouts. Sending you so much love on this special journey.
Isn't how